Hello learners, I welcome all of you to this English teaching learning process. So get ready to learn English. Oh, you are interested to sing a rhyme? Yes, sing with me. You try to get with me. Boost, boost, booster. Boost, boost, booster. Rock, rock, rooster. Boost, boost, booster. Rock, rock, rooster. Oh, rooster. You remind? We have studied a lesson regarding this rooster. Yes, you remember? The story was the jackal and the rooster. So, what you have studied last class? Can you remind? Yes, there was a big and handsome rooster. It sang early in the morning with a loud voice, but still he wanted to make his song better, louder and clearer. But he could not know how to make it. One day a jackal came near to him. He saw the rooster singing with his eyes open. Next, what happened? The jackal thought that if he tried to catch the rooster, it would fly away to the tree. So he thought that if the rooster sang keeping his eyes closed, it would be easy for him to catch the rooster. So he praised the rooster by saying great, handsome and king-like to impress him so that it would be easier for him to catch the rooster. So up to this much we have studied. Then what do you think? The rooster obeyed Jackal's instructions. We will study SGB 2 and it would be clear for us what happened next. Yes, get ready with your books. Now we will read our SGB 2. It is ready for you. You open your books and read with me line by line. The rooster closed his eyes and sang louder and clearer, cock-a-doodle-doo. Then stop. The jackal cut the rooster by its neck and ran away. The owner of the rooster chased behind. His wife and sons joined him, also joined his neighbors. Next, but the jackal was much ahead of those running behind. The rooster, in the meantime, said, Mr. Jackal, I am so happy to be with you. Without walking, I am walking. Without flying, I am flying. What a great feeling. And my owner is a miser. He never gives me anything to eat. Why don't you tell this to them? So students, we have studied this part of SGP. So you again try to read with yourself. There are some words we may take across this sentence group paragraph too. So now we will know them. You see, snap. Snap means make a sudden audible bite to catching sound. Snap. You see, this jackal is catching a rooster with its mouth. Next you see, chase. Chase means what? Run behind to catch. You see here, the dog is chasing the man. The cat is chasing the rat. The dog is chasing the rabbit. This is chase, run behind to catch. Next, ahead. What do you mean ahead? Ahead means further, forward. Ahead. In the meantime. At the meantime means at the same time. Miser. Miser means a man who has much but spends little. That is miser. A man who has much but spends little. That is miser. Next, owner. Owner, you know, the master. Owner. You see, this is the owner of this dog. Who tames or keeps. This is the owner of this dog. Now, I think these words are clear for you. Now, we will go through our SGP 2 again and understand them line by line. The rooster closed his eyes and sang louder and clearer. The rooster closed his eyes and sang louder and clearer, "Cock-a-doodle-doo." Yes, this is the sound of, exactly, this is the sound of that big, handsome, king-sized rooster. The rooster closed his eyes and sang. Then, what happened? Then, snap, snap, snap is what? Who? Who was near to him? Yes, Jackal. Jackal was near to him when the rooster sang, closed his eyes. The jackal cut him by his neck. That is snap. The sound is snap. The jackal cut the rooster by its neck. The jackal cut the rooster by its neck and ran away into the jungle. The owner of the rooster chased behind. Who chased? The owner. Owner, you know? Yes. The owner of the rooster chased behind him. And who? His wife and sons joined him. Not only the owner alone, but his wife, his sons, they chased behind the jackal. Because why they chased? They chased to save that rooster. Because jackal was taking their big rooster. So they tried to escape. Save the rooster from the mouth of the jackal, they chased. And also joined his neighbors. Neighbor, you know, the man next to his house, his neighbor. Other neighbors also chased after the jackal. They joined with the master. Then could they get him? But the jackal was much ahead. But the jackal was much ahead of them, of those who were running behind. The jackal was far away from them, so they could not catch him. The rooster in the meantime said, at the same time, the rooster said, what rooster said? Wow, Mr. Jackal, I am so happy to be with you. He said, oh, Mr. Jackal, I am so happy, glad, I am so glad. Why? Exactly, he was happy? No. But he said, oh, Mr. Jackal, I am so happy, I am so glad to be with you. Wow. Without walking, I am walking. How? The jackal is taking the rooster by its neck. So he is flying away like this. Now he is not walking, but he is moving. But he is changing its place. He is not walking, but walking. Who is walking? Jackal is walking. By the mouth, inside the mouth of the jackal, he is going to somewhere. So the rooster said, oh, Mr. Jackal, I am so happy, I am so proud of you, I am so happy to be with you. Wow, without walking, I am walking. Without flying, I am flying. I am not flying exactly, but I am flying. Why? Because the jackal is running at a great speed. It's great speed because people behind them, they are chasing. So at a tremendous speed, jackal is running. The rooster thinks that he is flying. So he said, without flying, I am flying. What a great feeling. Oh, great. He said that he enjoyed that journey. But again he said, and my owner is a miser. You know miser? Miser means having much, but spending little. This is the miser. So he said, Mr. Jackal, I am so happy to be with you. Without walking, I am walking. Without running, without flying, I am flying. What a great feeling. Oh, what a great feeling. And my owner is a miser. And my owner is a miser. He never gives me anything to eat. He never gives me. Why don't you tell this to them? I am not so fat. If my owner will give me some more food, I will be so fat. So why don't you tell him? Why don't you tell the owner, his wife and his sons to provide me more food? So this much word was said by the rooster. Exactly at that time, the rooster was at the mouth of the jackal. He made a plan to get escape from the jackal. So he said, why don't you tell to them? So students, we discussed SGP2 today. Now there are some questions for you. Come, let's answer these questions. What do you understand from this part of the story? You see, question number 1. Did the rooster sing closing its eyes? Yes, the rooster sang closing its eyes. What do you write? Yes. Answer, we will write yes. The rooster, this is the head word. The rooster, you see here, did, you see here, sing. So we will join them. We will write the second form of sing. We can say past of sing, that is sang. So the rooster sang. After writing sang, this did is not necessary. Direct we will write sang. Yes, the rooster sang, closing its eyes. Next, question number 2. What did the jackal do when the rooster sang with his eyes closed? At that time, what the jackal did? Yes? What? Cut. Good. We will write answer. Always you have to find the head word. Here the jackal is the head word. We will write it first. The jackal what did? Cut. We will write cut. C-A-U-G-H-T. Cut. Catch, cut. Cut the rooster by its neck. Neck, you know, this is neck. Neck. Number 3. Who ran after the jackal? Who ran? Who? Yes, its owner. We can write who. In place of who, we will write the answer. Who? The owner of the rooster. Secondly, his wife and his sons and his neighbors also. We will write all them. In place of who, we will write the owner of the rooster. His wife, his sons, and his neighbors. Ran after the jackal. Number 4. Why did they chase the jackal? Why did they chase? Why? They ran behind the jackal. Why? To save the rooster. Yes, we will write. But the head word here? Head word is they. We will write they first. They. You see here, did and here, chase. We will join them both. We will get chased. They chased the jackal to save the rooster. To save the rooster. Next, question number 5. Why couldn't they catch the jackal? Why? Because he was away, ahead of them. We can say, what's the head word? We will always try to answer the questions taking the head word first. Here, the head word is they. We will write they. Couldn't catch. They couldn't catch. the jackal? Because why? The jackal was ahead of them. Because the jackal was much more ahead of them. Much more ahead of them. Next, question number 6. Why did the rooster say that it was happy to be with the jackal? Why he said? Why? Because he wanted to make a plan to get escape from the rooster. Why did the rooster say that it was happy to be with the jackal? We can say answer. Head one, the rooster. The rooster said that, you see here did and see here say, we will join them both, say, said. The rooster said that it was happy to be with the jackal. Because it was what? It was walking without walking. And it was flying without flying. You see, next question number 7. Was it really happy or telling a lie? Do you think the rooster was happy? No, he was not happy. But he was making a plan how to get escape from the jackal. So we can write answer. Was it really happy? It is the head word. We can write it. Then we will write was. We will write no. It was not really happy. It was not really happy. It was telling a lie. Next part we will write it was telling a lie. It was telling a lie. Lie, you know? Not true? Yes, next. Question number 8. What did it say about its owner? About its owner, it said that he was a miser. Yes, and said, we will write about its owner. It said that, you see it is here, then did and say, we will write said. It said that he was a miser. He was a miser. Next, question number 9. What did the rooster ask the jackal to do? What the rooster said? Rooster said, hey, Mr. Jackal, why don't you tell my master? He's a miser, never gives me anything to eat. You see, can you tell, please? This request he made. So we will write the rooster, headword first. The rooster, you can write answer. The rooster you see here, ask and did. We will join both them. You will get asked. The rooster asked whom? The jackal to do. What to do? To tell his master. To tell his master to give it more food or for more food. What do we learn today? You see, the rooster obeyed the jackal's words and sang, keeping its eyes closed. Second, the jackal got a chance and cut the rooster. Next, the rooster thought of a plan to escape from the jackal and made him speak. So thank you for watching this video, class. Have a good day. Bye bye.